Okay, I thought I'd make a little video for the DIY page on Facebook to kind of give everybody a little clearer picture of what I'm dealing with. This wall right here, when I do the kitchen, I'm going to take the drywall off and redo that. Redo these baseboards because I'm using 1x4, and these have been dadoed out on the top to slip under the drywall. So there's a 1/4 inch dado along the top that goes under or around the drywall. So I'm getting rid of all that, and it'll stick out the full inch or whatever it works out to be. This wall right here, try to block some of the sun, but will be coming down again. I took it down once before and insulated behind it, but I'm getting rid of these French doors. You can see up at the top the gap in there, and in the wintertime the heat just pours right out of there. So, and these are an oddball shape, so I have to reframe this whole thing, and then I'll redo this drywall. And this drywall right here, you can see, is a total mess. The previous owner tried to put a texture on here, and all that does is collect dust. So this whole wall is going to come down because you can see it's been patched and repaired, and it's kind of a mess too. But yeah, so this whole thing will come down. New drywall, new door. This floor is coming up. It was brand new linoleum when I moved in, but a friend left a plate on the stove and dropped it on the floor, and it just burned chunks out of the floor. It's been like that for 10 years, so 11 years. But anyway, yeah, you can see this countertop is a mess. Everything's just old and nasty. And but it does have a vent and an outlet up here for a microwave, so with a vent fan and all that stuff. So okay, but yeah, this will be all new cupboards all the way around. I got to get rid of this window, put a wider window in because it's not centered in the room, and it's just goofy. And I don't want to have a 9-inch cabinet right here, so that's got to go. And then right here, never mind the mess, but I'll have a built-in dishwasher. This will come over 30 inches to right here-ish, and then that'll give me that much more counter space. And I'll be putting a set of cupboards, 30-inch cupboards up here. So I'll gain counter space here, cupboards here, and I'll lose this corner, however deep this is, 24.5. So I'll lose that corner of storage, which I don't use anyway because it's got drawers in there and the dishwasher blocks them. So I don't think I've ever opened those drawers in the 11 years I've been here. And then of course all this drywall will go. I'll re-insulate, and this fan in the ceiling doesn't work. I've never used it, never tried to, so that'll go. New light fixture, of course. I'm leaving the ceiling up because I had blown-in insulation done last year, and I don't want to deal with that mess. And there's no texture on it, so I'm going to have the drywall guy do a knockdown texture, and then that'll cover that up. And of course this wall will come down, all this drywall. And yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with. And all new appliances, of course, when I do it. But yeah, I hate this kitchen, and it's time for it to go.